Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about item category and how you can define these in Business Central, and also how we can set up the attributes and how we can select this on the item table level. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have relation to item category or attributes or other item in Business Central. So let's go to the Business Central and check how we can create and define the item categories and attributes. So let's go to the tab. So click here to explore and then explore more roles. And then what we will check today is this item category. We have a good example here in the Kronos company. So let's just click this as edit and then see how this works, right? So basically here, let's check in this case, the item categories. The only thing that you need to know is that you have to create here the code, and then you need to add the levels, right? So let's go here, just an example, right? We have here, so let's create like these parts, what we can sell as parts. Maybe we can, I don't know, as we are talking about just wood. Okay, and then here you select your parent category, so you can see here part, and in this way the system will organize this in a correct way. Then you can select the attributes like color. So let's see what we have here: orange, yellow, red, black, white. Okay, I like this. Let's see, black color. And then we can select here we don't have any options, so let's put like 17 centimeter, and then let's put the width, the weight, the material description. Okay, here you just need to fill, so let's put here, I don't know, like 100, just a value to have. Weight, I will like, I don't know, 20. Okay, in material description we can add this wood. Okay, so here we already define one item category and with the attribute. Okay, so let's go back here and see that we have now our new item category here. So I think it's easy what you need to do. You have here also the option to recalculate this if you want, if you add something that needs to be updated. Okay, I think it's basically that. So let's go now to the item and see how we can select and use this properly. Okay, so let's go to the items list. let's check our first item here in the list and see what we have. So here we have our item desk, and then we have the item category code that was selected as table, and then you can see here the attributes, right? So here you can see the color in the size, and also here what you can do if you need to change something or update something relation to the item category. You just need to go here and select another option, but if you want to change the attribute, you have to go here and say edit, and then you can go and change if need. Okay, so basically it's that for the item category and attribute. Of course that you can use these in a different way, because when we add here looks really simple, right? But to use the item category code, you need to have a good overview about all your items, what kind of items you sell, and how to categorize these items in a way that you can go in Business Central and define this. I think create the process in Business Central is simple. I think the only thing that you need to consider here when you are implementing Business Central, that you need to take some time in order to go and check what kind of items you have in your company, and how you can categorize these in a way that is understandable for the people that we will really add this value in every item that needs to be created in Business Central. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel and add your comments. Thank you, and see you next video.